Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a pre-primed with Mead and Black canvas. And I have 2 pans of leftover colors that were pillow paint and P.E.Sea Dancer and Passion Primary Elements. My interest is to not waste my paint and maybe have some fun doing some transfers with a palette knife. We shall see in a moment. But I think I'm going to take one of my Princeton Art Tool, one of my OXO omelet turning spatulas and use that for a start so I can get rid of that dish. Then we've got this. A turntable spins, so I try and block it off. I'm going to grab some of my little acetate tools, I hope, and maybe another color or two. We'll see. Those are both going in the bucket. Kind of want to put some gold in there. What have I got? I have Indian spice. Hopefully it's open enough to get what I want out of there. Got a couple bubbles. Like I said, I want to use, let me see if I can block this with, stay. Alright, small acetate tool. Do some black. And follow it with some gold. And I might use a little bit of my ginger flower too. I'm still going to have to wipe that off on something. And do I want to do it again? I kind of do. And I'm going to spin it out. Once I have some cells, I might take the palette knife and do something. I'm really curious. Boy, that's not coming out fast at all. About taking some of this. Doing that with it. I have some orange. I'm not sure I want to go there though. I think I'm going to squash. Well, I thought I was, but I guess I'm not. Geez, usually that works. Oh, it's coming. What else do I want to do? I want to stop that from turning. I want some more black cell activator, I can tell you now. I want it right in here. And there. There were a few foreign objects in my spin-off. That's pretty cool. I'm okay with that. Let's see what I've got, what I want to. It's probably not going to look anything like that unless I add some more cell activator to the central areas. I'm going to take a risk and try my little tiny I should not be wasting time with that. I'm going to spin and then I'll deal with it. The question is, do I want to do anything beforehand? And I know I said I wasn't going to use the orange, but I could use some shiny taffeta. It's not bright enough. This might be pretty. Or it might be obnoxious. You'll see in a minute. Let's give it a spin. I think what I would like is some more of the ginger flower. I hear paint flying off, so that's a good sign. Things are moving. I could have just taken a really big spatula. I think that's a little off center. I'm trying to decide. It's so hard. There's so many choices. I like that gold in there so much. I think I'm going to do that. And I saw a paint chip fall and then oh, there it is. I got it. Not bad for leftovers, really. Pop that bubble. I want a sharper stick. That's not it. That's not it either. That'll work. Like that. Looks like a flower up there. I like that too. Oh, find something that needs to go away. And it's gone now. This is actually the fun part. I think I can do that over here too. I don't know if they'll stay or not. I guess we'll find out. Maybe if I don't spin out again, they'll stay. Little lacy loopy things. The only thing that I'm wondering about is this right here. Whoops, that was a lot. I think I want some more on the other side actually. It's very feminine. But it's a good use of leftovers. I don't have much paint. That's my leftover paint. Which I could use right here. So I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me, obviously. I post 7 days a week at 3:15 Eastern Standard Time. I have 2 books. They're on the Amazon link. They're called Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. In for a penny, in for a pound. Can't do wimpy little dots. But I did see that thing that wants to come out of there. I thought I did. I think it might have been a dog hair. There. I'm thinking that's enough. She said as no one believed her. I think I'm just going to take my chances and see how that works out. I have some stuff over the sides. Hopefully there wasn't so much paint left on the canvas that it won't work out for me, but I'm not unhappy with my results. I can definitely use what I've got dripped over to cover the parts of the edges that will make it cohesive. I keep seeing things that I want to do though. Like that. Anything else? I don't think any of those are going to hurt me. There, it's very pastel, but that's okay. Alright. If I need to do something else to this, I can do it tomorrow. In the meantime, I need to stop that turntable from rotating again. And I'll tell you guys I love you. I wonder if I set my timer. I'm going to try and shimmer this at you. It does not look like I set my timer. So I have no idea if you're here or not. I love you. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. My battery's going to die too. That's pretty cool. I'm trying to shimmer the flashlight and maneuver the camera mount with one hand, and it's not working well. Alright, so please give me a thumbs up. If you're still here, know I love you. And I told you a bunch of stuff. Hopefully, if you don't get it in this one, you'll get it in the next one. I'm going to say goodbye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I do sell my artwork and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I'm going to say goodbye for now, and I will see you anon. Don't forget to check my community board for tomorrow's video, and remember that I have 2,600 videos you can find on playlists by asking or by going to my channel. Don't forget to check the link tree too, and thank you for the donations that help keep me painting through PayPal. And don't forget to check the Colourarte. Yeah, I do. Go on. Colourarte 20% off coupon below the video. I'm a Colourarte affiliate, and you will be helping me out if you shop Colourarte. And you'll love what you get, I promise. If you have questions, just ask me. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Bye for now. Priscilla out.